How can you see your liked post on your Instagram? So this video is quite interesting and simple to do. How can you see your post which you have liked on your Instagram by your profile, and how can you view your activity on your Instagram? This video is quite simple. What we have to do, we just have to open our Snapchat here. That is my updated version. If you have not, so just go on your app store and update it from there. After that, this is my homepage. You can see what I have to do. I will click on the right bottom of the screen called my profile icon here, like this. Click on that. You can see this is my profile, my bio, my all the posts and reels here. What I have to do, I will click on the top right of screen called three dots here. After that, you will see the third option called archive. Click on the archive section and click on the top. You can see this is live archive. I will click on this option. Click on the post archive here. You can see this is my all reels and all the posts are visible here which I have archived. If I want to unarchive that, I will click on the simply this post and click on the arrow option here to archive unarchive it from there. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. If you have any suggestion, any query, or any confusion regarding any topic, so just tap it into the comment section. Thank you so much for watching it.